In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Outlook Calendar to Calendly step by step. This setup helps you avoid double bookings, sync your meetings automatically, and keep your schedule organized across both platforms. First, sign into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Calendar Sync or Integrations section from the Settings menu. Now click on Connect Calendar. From the available options, select Outlook Calendar. Next, you'll be redirected to the Microsoft login page. Sign in with your Outlook or Microsoft 365 account and allow Calendly to access your calendar data. After that, you'll return to Calendly. Now choose which Outlook calendar Calendly should check for conflicts. This ensures that any busy time in Outlook will automatically be blocked in Calendly. Next, select which calendar Calendly should use to create new events when someone books a meeting with you. Once both settings are configured, click Save or Confirm. Now your Outlook calendar is fully connected to Calendly and will sync automatically. Whenever someone books an event, it will instantly appear in your Outlook calendar, and any existing Outlook events will block availability in Calendly to prevent double bookings. Before finishing, test the integration by scheduling a sample event and confirming it appears correctly in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully connected Outlook Calendar to Calendly and created a fully synchronized scheduling system. And that's how you connect Outlook Calendar to Calendly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.